Hi, I'm Sean with Catalina Rug, and today I want to go over our Rug Concierge Service. So after many years of servicing our customers, one thing that we realize is that after purchasing an Oriental rug, our customers can worry about what happens if there's a spill on their rug, what happens if there's a pet accident, or what happens when it's time for just professional rug cleaning. Let's say it's been 5 years or so. Well, you no longer have to worry about which expert to hire, who to trust, how much to pay. We introduced this program to take care of all that for you. And the nice thing is, right when you purchase your rug, this program gets activated, and then it's good for the lifetime of your rug, and it's exclusively for Catalina Rug customers. And I'm going to explain to you now how it works. Now let's talk about how this service works. So let's say you have a pet accident, a wine spill, or it's just time for professional rug cleaning, or for some reason you need a rug repair. All you have to do is follow 4 easy steps. So first step is you contact us, you let us know what you need, whether it's cleaning or repair. And then step number 2, we'll arrange the pickup of the rug from your home. So you could just put the rug in a box that you have. If you don't, we could just ship you a box to use. And then step number 3, once the rug arrives here, we'll arrange all of the services. So we'll deal with our experts, we'll negotiate the price, we'll work the logistics, all of that we'll handle. And then in about 1 week to 2 weeks, the rug will be ready. And step number 4 is we just ship it back to you. All you have to pay for is transportation fees and the service fees at cost. So this is something that we don't make any profit from. We're just doing it purely as a service to make it easy and convenient for you. So again, to get enrolled in our Rug Concierge service, all you have to do is purchase any rug store-wide, and the service will automatically get applied to that rug starting the day of your purchase, and it will last for the lifetime of your rug. When you need the support, all you have to do is contact us and we'll take care of the rest.